It's completely possible to do 2 different recipes with one single prep, and I'm going to show you in this class. I'm going to show you how you can plan ahead so that you can also implement some flavor hacks that I have shown in this class that will make your recipes more interesting and more delicious, but keeping it delicious and easy so that you don't have to cram so much time preparing for your family. The recipes are both easy and nutritious. All the ingredients are easy to find, and it doesn't take a highly skilled cook to be able to prepare these recipes. So I designed the recipe not only to be easy, but at the same time versatile. One recipe, 2 different applications using very similar ingredients so that you don't have to keep coming back to the grocery multiple times. And this will manage your time and keep your budget at bay. So there are 3 major recipes here, not 2 in 1. So the first one is a queso puti dish. It's so simple. We marinate the queso puti, but there are 2 different applications for it. One is a salad, delicious. Even kids will eat it. The second one is an easy appetizer called the bruschetta with the marinated queso puti. The second dish we're gonna do is I'm going to show you how to make easy sausages. Sausages are flavor bombs that you can add into your main dish to give it a depth of flavor. Sometimes sausages are filled with sodium and all these artificial flavorings. So I want to show you how to make a simple one and apply it to 2 main dishes, which is one, a roasted chicken, and the other one is a roasted pork loin. The third one is one of my favorite because it's one of the fastest, easiest, most delicious classic recipes, which is called a piccata. So I'm going to do a salmon porchetta, which is beautiful when done for like a Sunday handaan because it's like a Sunday roast. We're gonna use lemon, herbs to make the flavor very interesting. Second application could be a quick dinner or lunch, 30 minutes or less, which is a chicken piccata. So again, one recipe, 2 different applications. Now you've seen how I transformed simple ingredients to 2 completely different healthy recipes. In this class, I'll show you my complete 2-in-1 recipe system. Time-saving, prep techniques, smart ingredient swaps, and much more. Join me as we make healthy cooking possible even on your busiest days, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.